Hello friends, welcome to Sai Techno channel, and today we will learn about MS Word. So MS Word we are using for the office work, for the students in schools, projects. So we are using lot of things helpful in the for student for studying also, and for office letters, okay, designs, projects for students. It's helping. So today we'll learn here how to use the MS Word. This is a screen of that Windows, and I will tell you two three easy ways how to be start the MS Word. First, you can click here Start option. You can write here Word directly. Just you can be open here like Word option. Okay, this is the word you can see, and this you can say this is total we call desktop, and these are the menus. These are calling your menus, and you can open here also. You can start window this here, and afterwards you can be go for MS Office. Here will be there, and MS Office menu will be there, like PPT will be there, Excel will be there. Okay, you can take here MS Office. I am clicking here, it will be available MS Office. Okay, this is MS Office. Or one more way where you can be open, just right click on desktop and click to the new folder. Just to click the new Word document, you can open it, it will be doing. So this is 3-4 ways how to be start the MS Word you have seen there. And today we'll see the home menu of MS Word. First I will go open the MS Word one thing. So you can see here first when you have home menu, this is first in click a file menu, just you first one is new for the new document. If you want to be take new document or new file, just you have to be click here for the new, and then you can be click blank document, you can get it the new. Or sometime what happened, already templates will be there. So templates means what, like this already pre-designed format will be there. So that what happened already depend upon the business, or you can see here when you have their calendar, so it will take time somewhat intent required. So many kinds of other, you can be the templates will be there. So you have to be take template. When you take the templates, what happened already pre-designed format will be there. Just you have to put the edit, you have to make it, just changing the names or theme you have to be changed, remaining will be there. So if you want to blank open on, you can be click here blank, it will be available. Create, you can take new one like this. So second option is here open. So already file you already before you did you saved, that will be the file of open, you can be do the open that one. And next one will come the save option. So you can see here save. So already you have done some of half of work you have done, remaining somewhat you want to make tomorrow after 1 hour like this, then you want to be saved, that you have to click the save option. You can save your file. Here you have to be type your file name. I am writing here Rahul. So like this you can be keep your name, so you can be save it. You have to be select where you are saving. Your desktop is there, okay, local C drive is there, D drive, depend upon your system, drives will be there. I am saving on the desktop. I am putting name is Rahul. So you can see here I can check here, you can be, so where we are saved, see here is Rahul. Okay, you can see here this is the file of Rahul, we already saved that one. So this is the process of save. And you can see here same way save as will be there. So save as will, what happened, one file already you created saved, you want to be saved somewhere with another names, so you can be use the save as. So multiple times you can be use the saving option, that's why you using the save as option. And next come to print. If you want to be use the document print, you want to be take print out of hard copy, then you have to use the print. So it will be, you have to select the print copy and current page, how many times you want, how many copies you want. So here how many copies are there, current page, all page, so which are required you can be do it. Current page means the present which is appearing you, that is the current page. Okay, all page means all how many pages we have done, that will be come out. Okay, this is the print. Okay, and if you want to be make out print quick print, means when you click quick print, whatever default settings will be there, it will take direct print. And one more come here print preview. Before going to print, you have to check the print preview, means the top border, down border, left border, right side, so all side is covered or not covered. So you can be see the preview. Just I'm clicking here, you can see this is the preview how print is coming output. You can see here this left side somewhat margin is there, right side somewhat margin is, it's not will look good. So then you have to adjust and you can be take the print. So print preview will show you the details that one. And prepare, okay, and send. If you want to be send this one for the email or internet fax, So nowadays you are using WhatsApp and Facebook, these are fast you're using, but email is, you can send attachment that one to the email address, email, and publish if you want to be published in the blog. So like when you see in Google open, you are seeing the some content through the blog only, you will get the content. And close, if you want to close this, you can be close like this, you can be easily, you can be close it. So this is the way of how to be do that process, how to do the new documents, you can do it. And if you want to be somewhat changes you want to be see here, you can be see the changes. Say I'm typing somewhat and we'll see how it's affecting us. So changes of font styles, these are all things will be see here. So how it's working here. So first we'll see here. First one is here cut and copy paste. See here is the paste is a cut is not. When you select that time cut option will be available. See this is the cut. Cut means when you click here it will go cut all things. Okay, I am putting Control Z again. Copy, just to make copy. Okay, if you want to make the same copy, just you can be use it. Paste, here you click paste. Okay, if you want to use Control copy paste also, you can select almost here Control C for copy and Control V for paste. Control V and Control C you can use the copy and paste. You can be used for the copy paste. Okay, whatever you want you can be used for the copy paste. Wherever you want you can be use the copy paste option for the same thing you are using it. Say I'm pasting here. So somewhat just I written the, just I will tell you how that has to do. Okay, this is copy paste. Okay, and you can come to here font formatting will be there. So here I want to change the font style is here somewhat, and I want to change that. Just I will select and go to the here font. So many kinds of fonts are there. So whichever style you want, you can be just it's appearing here. Whatever you have taken here, it will be shown like Arial black is there, Arial round empty is there. Okay, Arial is there, height our text is there. Whichever you want, you can be take the text. And text size, font size here already now 11 is there. If you want to increase 16, 20, so you can be use it the font size. Or here you can see here bold. Here already it is a normal. Okay, if you want to be make bold means somewhat thickness will be there. Just you can click here bold. So somewhat big it coming. And italic means somewhat curved design because font style curve. You can see here italic. And underline. If you want to put the underline of this one, you can use for this line underline. So when you keep in the headings or that one, you can be use the underline option. You can be used there. Okay. And this is the strikeout. See, suppose you are typing somewhat here, I type someone sentence is wrong or any word is wrong, so I want to make strikeout. Just you have to select here, you can be with the strikeout. That will show that it's a wrong, it's a cutted. When you're how you're doing in the manual writing or with pen you're doing cutted, that one you can be do that one manually. That is the strike one. And you can see here this here subscript is there. Suppose sometime you're writing S2. Okay, if you want to be S2 writing, okay, that time what you are you need to require subscript. Okay, suppose I'm writing here H3O or S2 or G34. Sorry, it's not one number subscription. Okay, H2O. So I will change this font style somewhat. Okay, I'll take here this Arial black. See, now you want to be make this one is subscript, means like H2O it should be like it should become. Then you have to use here subscript, that is Control plus is equal to symbol. You can use shortcut key. Same way, if you want to be superscript means it will be go powers. You can see here, click here, you can get the powers. Like when you're doing the maths or that one and chemistry papers. Okay, when you're doing physics, chemistry or some papers or maths are there, that time you have to be use here. This is one you have to use. Okay, I think it's under. And this is for colors label. Okay, you can give the here label is here. You can see just here, click here, you change the label of down, or you can use the background colors for the font. Whichever colors you want, you can use it. You have to select, and if you want like this both side, you can. I selected red. I want to put here highlighter, red one. It's coming red. So like you can use for the label as well as highlights. This is for the font. Same you can use here. I want to be use put this color as a only font. It is for only font styles. You can keep here orange color, red color, blue color, whichever you want. You can be see here. It's changing the color. Green I'm putting. It's coming the green font. And this is for the fonts change. So first you have to select here. This font, just you have to click here, it will go automatically increasing. That is a font increasing. And here down is for font is minimizing, or you can say decreasing. Okay, font size is decreasing here. Okay, this is about the font settings and font. These all will be there. And here come to the how the paragraph settings will be there. This one, first one you can say numbers, bullets are there. If you want to keep one by one numbers or bullets, or you can use the bullets. Okay, when you enter, another bullet will come. When you enter, another bullet will come. So that symbols will come. If you want after this one, you can use bullets. So like this, you can use the bullets numbers. Or if you want to be use the numbers instead of bullets, you want to use numbers, you can keep numbers also. See, I am selecting this much, I am putting the numbers here. See, 1 2 3 4, it's coming 1 2 3 4. If I want to change the number of Roman number, you can change Roman number. So like this, you can put the numbers of sequence wise, or like this design also can be put in designs. So like this, you can be want to you can use the paragraph. And this is the so you can see here tab settings. Here you can see like indent, tab indent, that is right side moving, tab indent. Okay, one by one tab, you can see here this is tab, you can say tab indent. And same it is coming the left side also tab indent. Okay, you can do it tab indent. And this is for ascending descending order, it's not required, but when you want to be do ascending or descending order, then you can use the A to Z, Z to A, this they have to be use specific word. And this is for text alignment, you can say text alignment. Here this is the left side, this is left side. If you want to put here right side, you can put the right side. If you want to keep center, you can keep the center. That is the text alignment. This is the justify. So justify, why we are using, because sometimes what happened, you are writing something on letter pad is there, letter is there. Okay, somewhat here, somewhat more will be there. So I am putting here three lines are there. You can see every line has different ending. Here you can see this end here, this end here, this end here. Okay, when you click this end here, you need to click here justify, it will be end the both side same. So this is for the justifying. You can use the justify for looking good to all sides. This is justify. You can use, and after you can use, this is paragraph spacing. Okay, here is paragraph is there. You want to space between one to another space, you want to different. See here space is 1 or 2 line is there. You can click here paragraph, almost 1.15 is there. You want to keep 2, you can keep the 2. If you want to keep 3, 2.5, so it will increase the paragraph of yours, it will be increase it. Okay, you can take normally is 1.5 or 1. You can keep that, that is the normal for the paragraph settings. And this is for again fill the theme colors, same like this, you select it and select the color for the labels, theme colors. And this is for the borders of like how we are using the Excel, that will use like a border. See, I want to keep border of these 2 lines, you can select here and keep the border of this one, all borders, top borders, left borders, bottom borders, inside, many other you can whichever you want. Depend upon your work, you can use the borders you can. And these are the font styles, you can see select this much. These are all the default font styles in there. You can check if you want like this, you can be check any one of font styles, you can be check there. And here is the font styles. You can styles are there already, how we have seen the font styles, Frankency, modern, manuscript, simple, traditional, these are font styles. And font colors also can be changed. See, combination of colors is coming with the font colors, or this is the font color changes. And fonts also you can be see here, same font designs are there. And here come to the find is one, I am finding here F. Click here, find F. Whenever F is there, it will show the F. See, you can see wherever F is there, it will show you. And replace, I want to replace for the F to Guru. Just wherever F is there, it will change the Guru. So you can see here, where I am going to write F, it's changing the Guru. Replace all I am making it. Okay, then it will come to the Guru of there. So you can see here F was there, Guru came. Okay, here F was there, Guru came. So you can be replace that one. Then selection. So I think it's a menu, it is you have to understand this is. So this will be see again next video, and the menu all will see inside page layout, reference, and it will come the next video. So this is the home tab. So whichever basic required for the students, I have explained here. I think it will helpful you. Make sure that if you like the content, or if you like the video, please like and subscribe and comment the video. Thank you.